Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your RCS getting stuck up on settings. So first thing first, head over to your settings, scroll below, select apps. In here, type in messages, select your messages, select storage, clear the cache. Select force stop and then OK. Now come back onto app info page, select this three dot icon, or some people might have under filter. Select show system apps. And you may go ahead, select all here and by name. Okay. Now type in carrier. You will see com.android.carrierconfig. Go ahead, open it, and repeat the same process. Go for storage, clear the cache. Select force stop and then OK. Now once it is so, restart your device and launch your messages application, and this will fix your problem.